Merry Christmas to all. Hello, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku. Not in today's newspaper, because today it's Christmas Day, 25th. It's the yesterday's newspaper, Tuesday, December the 24th, 2024. And we have on Christmas Day no newspaper. On Boxing Day, the day after Christmas Day, no newspaper. So this is the newspaper of Tuesday, Wednesday, and the Thursday. So the next following newspaper will be on Friday, the December the 27th. Yes. And not so good news in the Christmas edition. There are no extra puzzles, no additional. So only these 3 regular puzzles. And one of them I've already solved, the 3 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the 4 star Sudoku number 9794. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1 digit more than the previous Sudoku. 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star. For a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with a 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 4 there. Well, need a 6 here. What's happening? All right, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there we have 5 in the second column. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, okay. 5, all right. 5. Okay. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column. The only place level 2 should be there. Need a 3 there. Need 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, or there in this column. Here, or there. We see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the row below, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. In this column, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this column. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. Then let me see. 1. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6, okay. Need a 7 there. No, need a 2 here, need a 4 here. Oh, apologies. Dropped my glasses. Okay, 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 digit left in the last row. I believe the 9. Yeah. 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, the 6 and 7 and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 8 goes there. 5, 5, okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Need a 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the third row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the first column for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. No, cannot fill this yet. How about? Need a 5 there. These 3 missing numbers in this second row are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, and look, we have 6 and 8 in this column, so no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column 3. Only 2 places left. Well, 7 minutes already passed. Let me check. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column 3, and only 2 places left. 9, cube here, cube there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left. The 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6, cube here, cube there. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 here, so 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, the difficult part, this one. The difficult part. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. And only 3 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. 8, 8. One, 3. Overlook something. 7, 7. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only 3 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 could be here. Could be there. 2, 7. I need a 1. I need a 9. And I need a 4. 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 6. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. Alright. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. 6, 6. 6 and 9. We have a 6 now in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so we go next. Only 2 places left for the 9. Cube here, cube there. Need a 9 there, need a 9 here. 3. Need a 3. In this big square, we need a no. 3, 3, 3, 3. We have a 3 in one of those two boxes in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only two places left are the 3. Could be here, could be there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So two numbers left, the 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Then 5, 5, need a 5 there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. So 6 and 8, the other pair in this big square are numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7, need a 3 here, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 6 and 8, need a 6 there, come on, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 1, need a 2, 2, need a 2 there. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4 and 8. 8. Need an 8 here. 9 and 3, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. I believe we have all the 9s. Okay, so here 2 numbers left, the 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Then 3, 4, and a 1. Well, here 3 missing numbers, 1, 3, and a 4. 1, 3, and a 4. Well, we have a 1 and a 3 in this row, so no 1 and 3 in this box. So this box should be a 4 then. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 3. 3 or 4, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 4. 1 and a 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left, the 4 should be here, so the other two numbers should be the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left, the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Finished in 14 minutes. Wow. We solve it again, faster than 15 minutes. Definitely a 1-star puzzle. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third and last puzzle for today, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.